Alexa, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Alexa, what's my gift for today?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alright, so we're going to open our gift from each one of us.
I want to open the one Corinne gave me.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what my coworker, my friend and coworker gave to me. Merry Christmas from Sean and Corinne Watson. Ayan, guys. Okay. Oh wow! Oh wow, exactly what I needed. Hala, it's so nice.
What is that?
Gloves and socks and this.
What
What's this?
What this?
What's this?
No, that's a hoodie. You tie this one to your neck and then like that.
No, like this. I think you have to. Like
wow,
this.
that's nice.
Thank you, Corinne. Okay, you next.
I don't have any.
Okay, so open this one.
Oh yeah, from Gladys, Chrism, and Jasper. Right. The way.
Wait. Okay. I have two gifts from them. Maybe they mistakenly wrote my name. What?
Oh no, it's a t-shirt.
Oh.
Oh wow, this is nice. I like this kind of shirt. Nice.
So, Gladys and Chrism gave me these two gifts. Look, it's both my name. Thank you, Gladys and Chrism and Jasper. Oh, it's the most wonderful time of the year.
What is that?
I got this. I think the other one is the same. That's why I have two. Thank you. Exactly what I need, and I love Hello Kitty.
Oh, it's a pear.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I love it. I love it. Okay, you're next. You're
Okay,
next.
this is from me. From
Me again? You first.
yeah, I have only one. So
Oh, you only have one.
so I gave all you like
So-
3 presents.
Wait. This year you stepped up your game.
What?
Because last year you only gave me one gift. Okay, so this year is 3. Okay.
Pastor, plenty customer. Wait, you open it like what? What the heck is that?
Nice. Okay.
Nice. So yeah, what do you think? Why I gave that?
Oh, because our vacation is coming up soon.
Yeah, true. So wait, I gave her like a zip bag, space bag. So because next year we're going to a trip and we need this. That's why.
Okay. Second gift. Maybe trash bag. Trash bag.
No, rush liner.
Oh! This the one from Amazon!
I was like, you said, oh, you ordered something from Amazon. Like, the heck?
When to grow ka, nag-reply sa ako. Ano ko? Ano nag-order sa Amazon?
I'm like,
Wala ka nag-reply, no? Okay, whatever.
yeah.
I need this though. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a pair.
Yeah, so okay, so your
So
turn.
actually, Ode just gave me like 1 present and yeah, it's I can still see the box from here. She didn't really wrap it well, but
I ran out of film wrapper.
right out of paper. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! Wow, what? A sweater? Wow, sleepwear thermal pant long sleeve. Hinley. Woohoo, sweater! Oh no, it's a sleeping pants.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the last gift. This is the biggest box that I gave to Ode. Alright, so this is for you.
Wait. I have to think, what is this?
Oh my god, it takes forever.
Okay.
Can you just open the box like, you know?
Oh, nice! Thank you! Oh my god, Nget. This is what I was looking for the last time. Nice!
Yeah, what is it?
Oh my, you always buy my gifts over there. So, I've been wanting to get one of these. It's a electric, heated, plush. It's like a heated blanket. I love it. I've been wanting one, but it's so expensive for me. I feel like I don't want to spend, you know, that.
Oh my god, there's price.
There's still a price.
I didn't see it.
Wait. How? I'm pretty sure you didn't buy it at this price.
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you. I like this. But yeah, I have one more gift for you.
Oh wow.
Where do you think, if Santa is coming, where do you think he will put it?
So he probably put on this thing right here. Okay. Woo! Oh my god, this is a box. Sorry. So it's on the stacking. Men's stacking. Right, okay, so before that you have to, you know, do it like this, like
Alamang.
gagamba. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh, what a box. Ha 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 ha. Alright, so I have a Fitbit Blaze. As like a smart watch. I'm going to wear it.
Okay, open it.
It's low, but I'll try it later on.
Alright, thank you for joining us today and unboxing our Christmas presents for 2017. We'll see you guys shortly. Bye!
Shape ice. Toink.
Dong, taga-asa ka?
Sa una, taga Katipunan ko, pero karon di balay na kung Seattle, Washington.
Aluy sa kalaban!